Hello students, in this session we will discuss about Unit 5 concepts. This one, Unit 5 syllabus. Here it mainly consists two important data structures, trees and graphs. Then searching and sorting techniques. Here the first concept, trees. So a tree is a non-linear data structure. Here a tree is defined as, assume tree is indicated with capital T, is a finite set of one or more nodes such that there is a specially designated node called root node, and then the remaining nodes are partitioned into n disjoint sets like T1, T2 and so on Tn, which are called subtrees of the root node. Now it shows the diagrammatic representation with one example. So this one, tree data structure. So tree data structure associated with different terms like node, parent node, child node, root node, path, etc. Now we discuss all those terms as a basic terminology of a tree. Now this one, basic terminology. Here we discuss the terms which are associated with the tree data structure. The first one, node. So in tree data structure, every element is represented as a node. So here nodes are created with the help of self-referential structure. For this we use linked list concept. Next one, edge. So the connecting link between every two nodes is called an edge. If a tree consists n number of nodes, then the number of edges are n minus 1. Path. The sequence of nodes and edges from one node to another node is treated as a path between the two nodes. Parent node. Simultaneous thing, child node. So if we take any edge here, the predecessor node is treated as a parent node. Successor node is treated as child node. Root node. So in tree data structure, there is a specially designated node which has no parent node. Such a node is known as root node. Leaf node. The node which does not have any children is called a leaf node. Here leaf nodes are also known as terminal nodes, since the path is terminated at the leaf node. Non-leaf node. The node which has children nodes is called a non-leaf node. Non-leaf nodes are also known as non-terminal nodes. Next one, level. So level is also referred as rank of the hierarchy. While drawing a tree data structure, nodes are represented level by level. In general, root node is at level 1, its children are at level 2, their children are at level 3 and so on. Hence, one common property, if a node is at level k, then its children are at level k plus 1. Next one, degree of a node. So the number of subtrees of a node is called its degree. When we consider leaf node, for a leaf node, children are not available, hence degree of a leaf node is 0. Next one, degree of a tree. So the maximum degree of the nodes it is treated as degree of a tree. Then height of a tree. So let me take any path starting from root node to leaf node. The maximum number of nodes available in the path is called its height. So here height of a tree is also known as depth of a tree. Then siblings. The nodes which have same parent are called siblings. So these are the different terms associated with tree data structure. Okay, thank you one and all.